So good afternoon, class. Good afternoon. Please take your seats. So now let's have a new lesson. Are you all excited? Very good. So as you can see in the picture, what can you say? It talks about different kinds of garbages or different kinds of things that is not being used. So our lesson for today, it talks about finding ways to reduce waste. So first, let's read the objectives. First, identify different types of waste, plastic, hazardous, industrial household. Second, explore possible solutions to waste problems, which is reduce, reuse, recycle, and simplify. Develop awareness of personal responsibilities to the same waste at the source. So that is our objective. So first, let me review the first fully synthetic plastic was created in 1907 and was the first of its kind, a man-made molecule that does not exist in the nature. During the World War II, production of plastics ramped up to support the war by making parachutes, rope, body, or etc. So there are four different ways when it comes to different kinds of garbage. So first is reducing. The first step in reducing the amount of solid waste for disposal to decrease the amount of materials introduced into waste stream. So I have here the example and how we can able to reducing the waste. As you can see, it uses the different kinds of machine for us to be able to have a more cleanable environment. Next is reusing. Reuse products as long as they are useful instead of throwing them away immediately. Next is recycling. Means that we waste back to the beginning of the waste stream and are used and to produce new products. So as you can see in the picture, this is the example of reusing. Different kinds of glass to reuse and more on something materials like batteries or foil. That is example of reusing. Next is recycling. Means that we waste back to the beginning of the waste stream that are used and to produce new product. Okay? Here in Dumagat, there are lots of recycling materials for us to be able to like mga baligya and to maintain the cleanliness in the environment. Lastly is composting. Another form of recycling or reusing that reduces the solid waste in landfills and incinerators of composting. That is composting. And also, over the last decade, scientists have studied plastic waste to understand exactly what happens to plastic in the environment. The results are disheartening. Along with the plastic found in the ocean, scientists have found that microplastic, tiny particles, and fiber plastics are literally everywhere. So, if we use different kinds of plastic, we have to make sure that we use it in a proper way or to maintain a proper cleanliness environment. And I have here the reduce, reuse, recycle picture. For us to maintain cleanliness, it uses the products as long as they are useful instead of throwing them immediately. So class, we have to make sure that we emphasize that we do reduce, reuse, recycle. As a student, we must be able to maintain that cleanliness in our environment. Shifting the waste stream to the solution of managing and stream lies in the trees, like reducing, reuse, and recycle. So the last one would be the contaminated sites are easy to access. Now, here in Dumaguete, there are lots of places that have been a lot of issues about plastics. As you are youth, you have to continue or how to maintain the cleanliness in our environment. So that is the finding way to reduce waste. So that's all our discussion for today. Please get one whole sheet of paper and answer my questions. So thank you. Pass your papers and let's see another time to discuss more about different kinds of garbage. See you all next meeting.